Hello, it's Nicole Martel with My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm excited to share the April main kit with you. It's a fun kit and it does feature 49 Market's most recent collection by Vicki Boutin, The Artful Moments. It's perfect for documenting your favorite crafty memories with your friends, your craft room. You can do so much with this. And so I'm going to share it with you. Super fun. We have a stencil. We have also die cuts in here. Lots of laser cuts. These are so beautiful. The cuts, if you have not played with those before, they are wonderful. And I'm going to go ahead and share the papers with you real quickly. I love that these are like mixed media pattern paper and you get the look without the mess, which makes it super fun. And Vicki Boutin always has the best design. The color combinations are beautiful and I just love her so much. So let's go ahead and look at these. They're just so pretty. Like, you get a variety of different colors and texture and shapes, which will make a fun layout or two or three. So I'm looking forward to playing with these. It's going to be fun. So be sure to check out my channel in the next few days while I share some process videos, and we hope that you love this kit as much as we do. If you're interested in the kit, I'll include the link in the description. Thanks so much for stopping by, and take care.